What's up? What's up? It's Anthony here with another video. I haven't recorded in a good while. I know I owe you guys a lot of content, so here we are. I'm editing a lot of videos, the gym vlogs, travel vlogs, and I've fallen behind a little bit on it. But today I'm not gonna be talking much about that. Today I'm more so gonna be showing you guys something. Give me a second here. Let me get this in order. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Awesome. So I didn't want to really make this video only because it's a little bit embarrassing, but I feel like if I didn't record this video, I wouldn't be being honest in this documenting journey where I'm documenting my training career. So what I want to talk about is my struggle, I guess we could say, in trading. Kind of struggling right now where I can pass a challenge on a prop firm. I haven't gotten the payout yet, but I know I could trade. I've been in trading on and off for like 2 years. Well, I'd say more. I started way like in 2019 when they got everybody in the IML, like the pyramid scheme and everything, and didn't make any money off that. I've always been on and off on trading, always have invested in stocks, let it sit for a little bit, get my money out, stuff like that. But I never took it serious, as I've said in videos prior to this one. I never took it as serious as I needed to take it. And now I've been, I'd say since August or since September from last year, I've been giving it all the seriousness it needs, day and night for the most part. I know I could trade. I know I'm not ignorant to all the trading stuff, but there's something that happens like in my mind that I can pass a challenge very easily. Like if it's a 50K account, whether it's on Top Step, Take Profit Trader, or Alpha Futures, I can pass it very quick. Like on Alpha Futures, I can pass an account in 1 day. Not an issue. And not just full porting, no, not full porting, but like strategically waiting for a good setup, a clean setup, taking the trade, and I just let it run because I know it's a clean setup and I passed the challenge like nothing. Similar with Take Profit Trader, but with Take Profit Trader, you need the 5 days in the eval to be able to even pass the challenge. So that's another thing that I've been able to do. And on Top Step, I've had about, I don't know, 5 XFAs. So this is what I want to show you guys right now. I'm here on Alpha Futures. As you guys can see, on Alpha Futures, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts. As you can see, 5 of these have been passed. I'm almost 100% sure I passed this one and I closed it. I don't know how, I could be wrong, but anyways, out of all these 6 accounts, I've been able to pass 5. Now, what's the problem I have? I pass all 5 accounts, but when I pass them, I lose them. I don't know how, I don't know what. Like, I don't know what shifts in my mind when I go from a eval, waiting for a good setup to pass the challenge 1 day, because you could do that on Alpha Futures. And then when I get on the live account, you need 5 trading days to be able to get a payout. And the furthest I've gotten is like 3 days. So right now, I have another account here on Alpha Futures that we could go to. I only have one, as you guys can see. Right here, there's only one. And I'm taking it patiently. Small wins, trading micro contracts, whether it's NASDAQ or gold. That's where we're at right now. We're up $900. It's not always clean, I'll be honest. Like, let me be transparent with you guys. It's not always clean. All my trades aren't always clean. I try to minimize my losses. I'm struggling. I don't know how, but I'm struggling with like waiting for a clean setup on a live account. Like, I don't even know why. So yeah, like I said, March 3rd, 4th. So we only have 2 trading days on this one. If we go here to Take Profit Trader, this is another XFA I've had on Take Profit Trader. I've only had, I think, 3 or 4 accounts on Take Profit Trader. I haven't had a lot. So it's 4. Right now I'm currently in this one. This is an account I have, but I wanted to talk about this. Like, for example, see past test right here. Like this one, if we look at this one, for example, literally passed it, 5 solid trading days, all winning days, no issue with it. I get on the live account, I go on the charts the morning of, which you guys can see it's February 25th, 2026. So when we go here, this is, no, hold on, it's not right, hold on. Oh, I guess it was February 25th. For some reason, I knew it was here, but it's the 26th. Anyways, I know it was here. I don't know why it's showing the 25th, but I literally remember because it was on NASDAQ. So on NASDAQ, the problem I had was that my smart self traded on the normal NASDAQ mini and not micro. And what happened? Well, I use volume profile to trade, and if I'm not mistaken, I had the volume profile from the opening session of the day before to the next trading day. As you can see here, there was some support here. I'm new to all this screen recording and like all this stuff, so we had some support here, right? And what had happened was that day, the volume profile, it showed this right here, this level of support. So what happened in the morning, I took one contract on NASDAQ and I took this trade right here. I took this trade, and as soon as I saw that it liquidated it, I was like, we're good. I took my entry right here, and I was expecting it to go up anywhere into these levels. Hold up, let me move this down. Anywhere into these levels, and that didn't happen. What ended up happening was that I was up, I don't know, like $200-300. I was like, we're good. We're in the green. What ended up happening was that this next candle opens, it goes up as well, and I'm like, we're still good, it's going up, right? We're bullish, at least for this move. Obviously, in hindsight, that wasn't a good trade because obviously it was a bearish move, and if anything, it would have retraced into this small imbalance here, imbalanced area, and kept dropping. I didn't expect it to drop as it did. I didn't even know if it was a news day or not. I have no idea. But what ended up happening was that it went up, and after this, that it liquidated right here. Not liquidated, I'm sorry. It dropped right here. Right there, it got me out $1,600 because I had a fairly tight stop loss. So somewhere around here, it got me out, and I was like, okay. I got upset. I was like, bro, this is not happening. Are you serious? I just got the account. Like, this is ridiculous. So what ends up happening? My dumb self, here, let's go to February 26th. And here we are. I was like, okay, the Dow Jones, majority of times it'll follow right behind NASDAQ. So I was like, okay, cool. I was like, you know what? Don't sweat it. It is what it is. I went in right here with Dow Jones. I saw the drop. I was like, cool, I'm on time. What happens? I take a sell order right above this candle right here. Sell order. And I'm like, nice. We're in the green. I'm good. I only had like I had like $200. I think NASDAQ, I lost like $1,800 on the first trade. I don't remember clearly, but it was definitely over $1,500. Definitely. So I know I didn't have a lot of room to play with. What happens? This small retrace right here got me out, and I lost the account. It's so stupid. That's obviously my fault. But as you can see, it was 1,921 right there, 50. Literally lost the account. So I was like, what the heck? Like, I didn't even get a chance to do anything on this account. So right now, I'm in another account. I'm trading on this one. I'm taking it really slow, only because I don't want to rush it, and I don't want to take like exaggerated trades. I want to take small trades. I know a lot of people say you should be able to pass an account fast. I can, but the thing is, I'm taking it slow because Take Profit Trader requires you to be 5 days in an eval, you know? So that's the only reason why I'm doing that. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm kind of in that phase where I know I'm very close to profitability. I genuinely don't even know what happens. Like when it comes to getting the live account, like I could trade, you know, when it's passing the evals and stuff like that, but I don't know if you guys ever had that, but there's like a mental shift. And I tried one time, I tried like 1 or 2 times on Top Step, not trading the first 2 days or something of the XFA. Didn't work. First day I got to trading, lost the account as well. I'm like, this is ridiculous. I've had no issue passing 150K, 100K, and a 50K account on Top Step. Like it's nothing. Most of the time, 9 times out of 10, I make half on one day, half the other day. Takes me no time to pass them. Very quick. I don't know what it is. Like once I get on the XFA, I lose the account. So I'm like, bro, this is ridiculous. As you can see, it's 3:50 in the morning. I'm making this video. I just wanted to share that with you guys because if you're trading, if you're trying to become a trader, then you know that this isn't an easy journey. This is really hard. I know I'm close. I know I'm very close. My goal this year, I have no other goals. I have $1,000 in my Gates FX account. That's my live account. Not trading it. Don't even think about it. It's dead to me right now because I want to build my capital. My #1 goal right now is to get a payout from any prop firm. It don't matter what it is. Get a payout, put a small percentage, maybe like 30-40% of it into my live account. Leave that money there and then use the other money, you know, maybe $1,000 for myself or something. I don't know. Then use the other money to buy more accounts, do the copy trading strategy. And that's that. So stay tuned for this journey. If you're a trader, remember, trading is a billion-dollar skill. It's not meant to be easy, and it's not meant to happen overnight. It's easier more than ever though, because there's a lot of information out there. There's a lot of like tutorials and stuff like that. So it's easier than what it was, but that doesn't mean it's not difficult. You know, trading within itself, not selling a course, trading within itself, like actually trading and reading the markets, price action, like the order flow, reading tape, all that stuff. It is not easy. It's really hard, but it's possible. I've seen all the people on YouTube. I know if they can make it, I can make it. They probably don't even know who I am, but I want to give thanks to everybody that makes videos, motivational videos on trading, inspiring videos on trading. They talk about their payouts and stuff like that. It's very inspiring. So thank you guys for doing that and not giving up on trading, because you guys have set a blueprint for us that are up and coming to not give up on trading. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. That's all I got for you guys today.